Eucalyptus is an evergreen plant that people have treasured for many years due to its fabulous health benefits. Be it getting your air clear, soothing the mind, and all the amazing qualities that nature has brought forward. So do you know it can actually help boost your skin health, soothe aching pains in muscles? This video will take you through some of the wonderful benefits of eucalyptus, its broad uses, and how to include it in your life in daily activity towards a healthy and well-rounded life. Eucalyptus is a native Australian plant that's been in use by the indigenous people as a source of medicine for thousands of years. The stuff in eucalyptus that gives smoke its active power or scents up the place, packed with healing power, is called cineole. Cineole is a complete natural anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and decongestant. Eucalyptus forms an excellent multi-purpose treatment against various diseases. The most common eucalyptus used is for the respiratory system. It can be applied in the case of the common cold, coughs, sinusitis, and even asthma. Vapors may melt the mucus, clearing the path of air passages, so one may breathe freely. It can be added to a few drops in hot water and can be inhaled or used throughout the day via the diffuser for clear airways. Eucalyptus is not only great for your body, but it is also wonderful for soothing the mind. It can reduce the stress and anxiety levels and help induce sleep. Fresh aroma eucalyptus oil helps to calm down the mind. Add a few drops of it to your evening bath, or use it as aromatherapy at home to set up a relaxed atmosphere. Eucalyptus is the treasure of skin. It heals pimple marks and irritation due to being an antimicrobial as well as anti-inflammatory. Hence, your skin becomes healthy with a glow, and on the scalp, itching and dandruff can also be reduced by the shampoo if it is made up of eucalyptus. Look for skincare products with eucalyptus, or create your very own eucalyptus toner at home. Of course, doesn't most everyone suffer through sore muscles or joint pain at some juncture? Eucalyptus oil can help with this. This is because it can be applied as a natural painkiller that even helps decrease any inflammation and swelling that ensues where the discomfort is. Just mix in a couple drops of this oil with any good carrier oil. Coconut oil works great for massaging. Pour some into that same affected spot for nearly instantaneous pain relief. Although eucalyptus has many strengths, it is dangerous if not used the right way. Always dilute eucalyptus oil before applying it to your skin, and never ingest it unless it is food grade. Before using eucalyptus when pregnant, nursing, or with any medical condition, consult a doctor. There is enough for one to reap positive effects of eucalyptus. Let's brew yourself a tea, an invigorating detox drink using eucalyptus. Let your room be soothingly relaxed and fragrant to breathe with just that diffuser, or by adding your eucalyptus. Add a few drops to the bath for that feeling of spa and rejuvenation of the body. Eucalyptus can totally change your health and well-being no matter what you do with it. Extraordinary eucalyptus. Thousands of benefits from one single plant. Now, from all those advantages this eucalyptus holds unto itself when challenged, that from the listed down, one that you'd wish to indulge too much use, share, and comment down. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos about holistic tips. See you in the next video.